What's up YouTube, T-Bird here, back again with another video. And in this video I'm going to give you guys a visual of how I use the Heat Puff vinyl. And that's basically going to give your shirts a little bit more pop to it. So I gotta get a close up for you guys, let it focus. Yeah, so you see it kind of pops up off the shirt at you. Feels real nice and fancy as well. I already have my vinyl cut out. The only thing I have to do now is just weed it, turn on the heat press machine, throw a shirt up there, and you guys gonna see the whole process. So let's jump into it. Okay, so now we're over at the heat press machine. I have it heated up at 310 degrees Fahrenheit. It's said to do a 10-second press at that temperature. We have the puff vinyl right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the shirt. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. And we're gonna see how this thing puffs up, okay? So I have it on the shirt. Let's go ahead and give it a nice press. And we're gonna press this it's going down for 10 seconds. And I can't wait to see what this turns out. It looks like. I hope it turns out very well, especially since I'm recording. Okay, and it did. Look like it's turned out very well. Pull that off. I'm just going to record this on my phone so you guys can get a better look how puffy that is. That is so nice. I love it. So let's go ahead and take this off so you guys can see the masterpiece. Hope you guys can really see that. You guys know I had to try my shirts on at the end of my video. So yeah, here you go. I want you guys to see how it just kind of looks like on body. I'll wear this for the rest of the day. Hope you guys really enjoyed that content. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Persh.